Sometimes you can restore an old door, but in the case of this one, it has really passed its prime.
The old door was looking pretty trashy. It was really falling apart. This is something that a paint job can't really fix.
I'm on the hunt for a new front door at Home Hardware, and I would love to get a door with frosted glass to let the light in. I've looked at options in the showroom and in the catalogs. And now the installation team is coming out to measure the space and go over my selection with me. We talked about potentially doing a transom and a window, but that would mean moving the electrical and getting rid of the mailbox. And even though I love the look and the idea of this wider door with lots of light, it feels like it's becoming too complicated. So I've backed away from that idea and I'm going to look for the right glass door instead.
It's a cold January morning and Jim from Home Installs is here to install a brand new front door from Coltech for me. The Home Installs program is available through Home Hardware. You can get financing. All the staff is fully insured and they guarantee their installation 100%. So if you've got a project big or small, inside or outside, you can reach out to the Home Installs program to do that job for you. The new door that I got from Coltech has this great big glass panel. It's frosted for privacy, but it's going to let that light into the foyer.
The price of the door fits into my budget, the turnaround works with my timeline, and the cashmere cladding they have in stock is a perfect match to the trim paint I already have.
The Wiser Smart Lock on it with the PIN code, just a really easy way for my Airbnb guests to get in and out of the house. You just have that peace of mind that nobody's going to get locked out.
In less than a day, we have a new door, and wow, is the foyer ever bright now. In the end, it all worked out that I stuck to my budget and just replaced the door.